into the words I said the night before, as the car sped down the highway next to the rocky coastal shore. Come on, my love, let's watch the storm and all its wonder. Come on, my love, don't let this world drag us under. We are both young and in love with no pain, so let your love fall down upon me like the rain. You can be the lightning and I'm the thunder. So we pulled off the road and she took my hand and said, baby, let's go. As we danced in the rain, I knew my life would never be the same. It was like a movie scene, this dance between you and me, as we kissed in the porch